Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to your laptop or desktop Wi-Fi disable from registry. And you want to hide also Wi-Fi options from your PC and laptop. So in this video I will show you. So first click to start and type run. Then type registry. Then click on OK. Again click yes. So guys, before completing, so you have to click on file and export, take backup of your registry. Okay, save name any file like 23 4 2026. Select desktop. So it is your registry backup. Yeah. So first local machine, extract, then software, then Microsoft, extract, then Windows, and sometimes we are using different versions, so location also same. So I will show you how to go. Windows, extract, then current version, extract, then policies, again extract, then explorer. Okay, then right click on explorer, new, steering value, click and type capital ST setting, type setting, page visibility, exact same S capital, P capital and V capital, then type, then double click to open and type in the value hide network Wi-Fi. Then okay. So after the restart it will updated your registry to your system, then it will remove it and you can back to just delete this file, right click and delete. Okay, and you have also registry backup, so you can just double click to overwrite. Yeah, otherwise you click on file and import this file. Okay, thank you.